Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Replit for Python programming. First, open the Replit website on your browser. On the top, you will get the Login or Sign Up button. If you do not have an account, then reach the Sign Up option. If you already have an account, hit the Login button. Here, continue with Google by choosing your Google account. After that, allow Google to access your information by clicking on Continue. Next, enter your first name, last name, hit the Continue button, and choose your plan to use Replit. And you can choose any plan of your choice. It offers a starter plan for free. The Replit Core plan costs $25 per month. The Teams plan costs $40 per month. After choosing your plan, describe your idea that you want to build in the prompt box. For demonstration, I have given it a prompt to create a calculator in Python. Following that, hit the Start Chat button. It will create a Python calculator application that includes basic arithmetic operations. The application will feature a command line interface for performing calculator operations. It will support addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The calculator will handle decimal numbers and negative values. It will also include clear error handling for invalid inputs and division by zero. Users will be able to perform continuous calculations until they choose to exit. Lastly, you can ask it to create, and it will create it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.